Power Map is a tool dedicated to show data on a map, in particular using 3D visualization, and enabling you to create videos of your presentations with data on maps. The Insert ribbon in Excel contains a button to open the Power Map window. This button is available only if you installed the Power Map add-in in Excel, which you can download for free from the Microsoft website. The first thing to do is selecting a few columns from the tables available in your data model. In this example, we select address, city, country name, and state province name. As you see in the geography and map level, each column has been assigned to a specific geographical level. This has been done automatically, but you can change it if the name is not recognized in the right way. In the meantime, Power Map is calling the Bing web service that resolves all the addresses in a position on the map. This operation can take longer, and in this case we just switch it to the end in order to go straight to the result. Every customer is now a point located on the map, and you can zoom and browse the map by using the mouse. You can also transform each point into a column, which height is defined by a measure. In this case we choose a sales amount. In this way we can immediately recognize the most important customers by sales amount. We can also put more information into the column by using the category setting. For example, if we put the product color in the category, you see the distribution of product colors for the sales made by each customer. We can also take a look at what happened over the time. If you choose the order date column from the sales table, you can play an animation that shows you how data changed over time. This could be a very interesting alternative point of view over your dataset. We can also use different types of visualization. The heat map shows you a more red color when there are a higher density of values and points, and a color that tends to be green and blue when the density is lower. This is interesting to observe which areas are hotter than others. You can also create a real presentation by using the Add Scene button, which allows you to create several steps in your presentation. As you see, we can choose different point of views, and adding a scene for each one, we can also change the duration of the scene, the transition effect, the speed of the transition, and so on. You can play the animation by using Power Map, or you can also create a video of the scenes that you created. Another visualization that we have available is the region. In this visualization, an entire area is displayed with a color that represents the measure that you selected. A darker color represents a higher value and a lighter color a lower value. You do not have to define the areas if they correspond to political regions or state, like in this case. After you completed the preparation of the scenes, you can play the animation and see the result of your job. Power Map is an interesting tool to create compelling demos of data projected on maps. As you have seen, the first tool that you have to learn in order to start your Power BI presentations is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is the core of any data model that you will use for any report and any presentation. So enjoy the learning of Power Pivot and DAX.